How to use 48MP iPhone 15 camera. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone 15. 2. Swipe down and select Camera. 3. Choose Formats at the top. 4. Tap the switch beside ProRAW and Resolution Control, which will appear as Resolution Control on iPhone 15 or 15 Plus. 5. For iPhone 14 and 15 Pro and Pro Max, select Pro Default, and then opt for HIF Max, up to 48 MP, or Pro RAW Max, up to 48 MP. 6. Launch the camera application. Ensure HIF Max or RAW Max is displayed in the corner without any X mark. You're ready to take your shot. Keep in mind to stick with the default 1x focal length. Altering it will result in 12 MP photos. Please note that live photos are incompatible with HIF Max. 7. Long press on HIF Max, or RAW Max, to toggle between the high-resolution modes. You can alternatively utilize third-party applications such as Halide or Camera Plus to capture full 48 MP images. You also have the option to enable Preserve Pro RAW or HIF Max in the camera app, preventing it from resetting to Available but Off when you open the default camera. To do this, go to Settings and Camera and Preserve Settings and Apple Pro RAW and Resolution Control.